Okay, so
Are you doing the
Instagram thing, yeah. First time.
I haven't done that yet.
God, slow down, technology. Slow down. Clark Gable's actual author, 1934. Wow.
I'm like,
Pretty amazing. So, Steven Spielberg bought this for the Academy for $500,000 at an auction. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm just trying to learn how this. I'm here with the beautiful Patricia Kelly.
The widow of Gene Kelly,
That's
and
right.
we are at the Samuel Goldwyn Theater, which is the Academy of Motion Picture Arts.
And we are watching.
A 35 millimeter print of Singin in the Rain.
That's right. So just how they would have saw it back in the day. Looking at an
married to a
old
dancer, too.
photo of Miriam Nielsen.
pretty good one.
97 years old. Still rocking it. Still dancing. Look at that. Number featuring Kelly, an umbrella, and an artificial downpour. Kelly's collaboration with Freed, Donnan, and